Welcome to Iran, a country full of history, culture, and beautiful landscapes. Let's take a closer look at this fascinating country. Iran is located in the Middle East, sharing borders with many countries like Iraq, Turkey, Afghanistan, and Pakistan. It's the 18th largest country in the world and is home to over 80 million people. The capital of Iran is Tehran, a bustling city full of life. Tehran is a mix of modern buildings and historical sites. People here enjoy shopping, food, and culture. Iran is famous for its beautiful Persian carpets, art, and literature. The country's culture goes back thousands of years, with amazing poets like Hafez and Rumi. One of Iran's most famous historical sites is Persepolis. It was the capital of the Persian Empire and is over 2,500 years old. Persepolis shows the strength and culture of ancient Iran. Iranian food is full of flavor. Dishes like kebabs, rice, and stews are enjoyed by people around the world. Each region in Iran has its own special recipes. Iran is also known for its stunning nature. From the snow-capped mountains in the north to the vast deserts in the east, there's something for everyone. Iran also has a beautiful coastline along the Caspian Sea and the Persian Gulf. Iran is a country of family, tradition, and hospitality. Iranians are known for being warm and welcoming. Festivals like Nowruz, the Persian New Year, are celebrated with music, dancing, and delicious food. Iran is a country of many contrasts: ancient and modern, rich culture and beautiful nature. It's a place worth exploring and understanding. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Iran. Goodbye, and take care.